Excel, Module 1, Visual Workshop, Royalties. Go ahead and open 1-5. Enable the editing. And the first thing we'll do is click into B8, and we just want the total of all the regions, all 4 of the above. So you can click the auto sum or Alt equals, and it should be the sum of B4 to B7. Enter. I want to see the highest value from that for the range of the 4 cells. Click the down arrow, and it's considered maximum. Now just be careful, it's going to want to include the total, so just reselect so it's just that B4 to B7. Enter, and that's the highest value. Now the minimum, lowest value, same thing, down arrow on the auto sum, minimum. And again, it's selecting the wrong range, so reselect so it's only B4 to B7. And then the same thing, find the average of the 4, so the down arrow, average, again make sure it's just the range B4 to B7, and you'll see it right here, and you'll also see it in your formula bar. Enter, so that's the average, the highest number, the lowest number, and then the average. Now click in C4. We want to see what the royalty fee will be based on the royalty percentage, which is 6%, and that's an E2. So you'll start your formula with equals, and you want it based on the gross revenue, so you can just press your left arrow and it selects B4, so it'll be B4, then the next one will be B5 and B6 and so forth. So use your asterisk. Now the percentage is in E2, and it'll always be in E2, so either press the F4 function key or type $E $2, so it'll always multiply by the whatever percentage is in here. You can use your check and then just drag it down to the 4 regions, and then we'll do a total here, alt equals or sum, and it should match what you have in your book. And then go to A14 and type your name, and this is a very small table, so if you go to File, Print, it'll all fit on one page. But notice there are no lines, so you may have to go to Page Layout and choose Grid Lines Print, and then when you go to File, Print, it'll be up in the grid line show. Again, it's up in the upper left corner. If you want to go into Page Setup, Portrait's fine. Margins, I always center horizontally and vertically. You want to do a header or footer. So date's always on the left, your name in the middle, and on the right is the file name. And I just need to, there it's centered both vertically and horizontally, the header footer. I'm just going to go back and in A14 type my name, and you're ready to save and submit. Thank you.